Up V2B Smart Controller will enable you to control a beam-up garage door opener and most other brand garage door openers from your smartphone. A complete compatibility list can be found on the beam-up website. Supplied in the kit are a controller, door sensor, cable, and power adapter. Before installing the kit, check the Wi-Fi reception in the garage. An active internet connection is required to set up and use Beam. If the signal is weak, a range extender may be needed. First, download the Beam Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select Set up your Beam. Follow prompts within the app. You'll then be prompted to create an account. To verify the Wi-Fi network to which you'd like to connect your controller and enter your network password. The Beam Smart Control Kit will only join a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. First, the controller must be paired with the primary user's phone. Locate the controller and power adapter. Connect the adapter to the DC in port on the controller and a nearby power source. The controller's Wi-Fi status light will blink orange to indicate it's ready for setup. Follow prompts within the app and when directed, press the phone screen tightly against the bottom setup port of the controller. The screen will flash rapidly. It may be helpful to dim the lights or cup your hand over your phone during program to minimize light interference. When pairing is successful, the controller will beep and the Wi-Fi status light will blink green. If not successful, the Wi-Fi status light will blink red and you will be guided through the setup again. Locate the wireless door sensor and follow prompts within the app to scan the QR code found on the back of the sensor. Enter a name to identify your door. Unplug the controller and head out to the garage. Clean and wipe dry an area at the top of your garage door's interior panel. Remove the battery tab from the back of the wireless door sensor and mount to the cleaned area of the garage door using the adhesive hook and loop strip. Locate the controller, power adapter, and cable and grab your stepladder. Find a spot within 3 feet of the garage door opener and within 6 feet of a power source. Mount using the adhesive strip on the back of the controller. Locate the opener cable. Plug the black connector into the opener port on the top side of the controller. Unplug your garage door opener. Use a small screwdriver to connect the 2 wire leads from the cable to your garage door opener push button control terminals. If there are already other wires present, twisted pairs can be formed and the wires and cable can share the same terminals. Plug the power adapter into the DC in port on the controller and a nearby power source. Plug in your garage door opener. Installation is complete. Swipe up on the door to open. Swiping down will close the door. Prior to closing, the controller will beep and LED will flash for 5 seconds as a warning required by safety standards.